and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people maybe. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you. Play my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops fell
Kalmada ngayon mo.
and echoed in the wells of silence.
Malalim dyan, Paps. Bukod may big alagukoy. Malalim. Ligo na. Maligo na ako. Kunin ko yung goggles ko. Para maya mga alas 9, batsi na kami dito. Para kung maaga-aga pang makarating, makarelax pa sa bahay. Makita kay buwan na. Sunrise 5:54. So ligo na ako para hindi masyadong mainit. So yun lang, bye bye. Kuha lang ako para sa mata ba. 3 yung dala ko niyan. Kami na lang natiraw yung 3 motor. Yan.